Hi Sadvik,
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm good sir.
Okay, Sadvik, where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, and what is your educational qualification?
Recently I have completed my post-graduation from MVSR Engineering College.
Okay, and about your family?
My father name is Srivas and he's a government employee, and my mother name is Sureka. She is a homemaker.
How do you know about SVC Institute?
I got to know SVC through one of my friend Daniel.
Daniel, he got selected for Goldman Sachs, right?
Yes sir.
Okay. And what did you learn from SVC during this 2.5 months training?
In SVC I have learned about accounting principles and financial statements, ratio analysis, and real-time trading sessions, financial derivatives. I've learned about all these concepts.
Okay.
I also improved my communication skills by actively participating in jam sessions, group discussions, and real-time HR sessions.
Good to know that. And share your interview experience.
They have conducted 3 rounds of interview. First round was HR personal interview, and second round was written test, which focused on aptitude and accounting knowledge.
Okay.
And final round was manager round, which was completely focused on technical knowledge.
Okay, and when you are going to join?
On 12th,
Okay, and what is the salary package?
3 lakhs per annum.
Congratulations and all the very best.